Hello everyone, Smokey Smokes here. Going to be doing a pipe review on this Dr. Grabow Freehand. Now these have a lot of variety. You can get, this is a straight one, I'll call it, even though it's not straight, as you can see, it's still bent. But there's an actual like bent version where the stem actually goes up like that. But they have different, I'll call this a Dublin bowl. I don't think it really is. It looks kind of more like a billiard. I can't quite tell. More like a billiard, but they have actual Dr. Grabow freehands that are distinct billiard shapes. I'll just call this a Dublin bowl, but they have quite a bit of variety. They have smooth ones. This happens to be a rustic one, which I prefer for the most part. I also like smooth ones, though. I like all kinds of pipes. But yeah, I like the lines on this one. It's really, really nice looking. I believe there's a filter in this one, too, because on the website, like, I can't seem to take this stem off. Maybe I'm just weak. I don't know. I can usually take stems off of pipes, but this one, I'm not able to take it off. I don't know. But it says there's a filter in it. It says filter 6 millimeters. I can't. Whatever. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But anyway, it is a briar pipe. Weighs about 1.3 ounces. I think it's like 5.5 inches. The website doesn't say what its measurements are, so I have to do it myself. A little over 5. Let's say 5 3/4 inches. Chamber at its widest point, a little under an inch. Pipe at its widest point itself is about 1.5 inches. Highest point the ball is like 1 3/4 inches. So, yeah. Not a whole lot to say about it. It's like $39.99. That's the MSRP, but you can get it for like $30. Expect to pay closer to $40-ish. I got mine for like 33, I think it was. No, I think it was 30 on some other website, but yeah, it's not a sitter, unfortunately, but it smokes great. Smokes fantastic. I got no issues with it. And I like the pattern on here, the rustic pattern, because it keeps it more cool. So, yeah. All I'm going to say is it's a really nice pipe. There's also a little spade pattern right there. Well, not a pattern, but a spade icon there, which is interesting because I have a K. Woody Saxon pipe, which on the stem it has a little picture of like a club on it, which is interesting. I don't know if that's like an intentional thing between the companies or something, but whatever. Just as Dr. Grabow freehand right there. So yeah, there's quite a bit of variety. There's the bent ones and the straight ones, what it's called. It's different bowl shapes, and you get smooth or rustic. So, yep, that's about it. Really nice pipe, fairly affordable. Not super. Well, I'll call it affordable, but there's also pipes that are like in the $20 range, non-Chinese ones anyway. So, yeah. Where is this made? That's a good question. I don't know. Doesn't say. I'll annotate it if I ever figure it out. But yeah, nice pipes.